muffins.
We are. Yum. You excited?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright.
What's the ingredients, Jack?
Milk, butter, banana, egg, vinegar, and cinnamon.
Yep. We got some brown sugar, cinnamon. We got bicarb of soda, not baking powder, bicarb of soda. We're using an organic spelt flour, but you can use whatever you like. Just don't use a self-raising in this one. But we will post the ingredients and measurements and everything at the end as well. So let's get started.
All right.
Oshi, can you cut the butter up for me, sweetie? So we're going to start with our wet ingredients. We've got butter and we're going to add our sugar very soon.
Like this?
Yep. Just cut it up to make it easier to beat. That's it.
Cut in the cubes.
Yes.
And now this way?
Yep, just roughly chop it. Doesn't matter, it's all going to get mullied up shortly.
Yep.
There we go.
And you got some nice. Can I cut this again or no?
Just spin it the other way and cut it into cubes.
Cool. Alright. So.
There we go.
There we go. Alright.
Beautiful. Jack, do you want to add the sugar? Is there a, do you want to grab that tea towel, Oshi?
I'll just put all of it.
Yep.
Okay.
Beautiful. So we've got 115 grams of butter there and a quarter of a cup of sugar. It does call for more sugar. Could you bring that, sweetie?
Oh,
but
yeah.
I want to keep it less because we're adding the banana. That will actually naturally sweeten things a little bit. So I'll give that a quick beat and be right back. Next step, milk.
Alright, so I'm going to do the milk.
2/3 of a cup.
Yeah.
Jack, you can crack the egg in there, big man.
Yay!
That looks good.
Yep. So I'll pour this in.
That's it.
Yep. You got it? Whoa!
That's it. Get that finger in there.
Oh,
well done.
Disgusting.
Well done. So now I'm going to give that a bit of a stir in. How'd you go there, big fella?
Yes, I threw it in. Just kidding.
Now, Oshi, can I get you, sweetie, to put the vinegar in?
Yep.
That's it, just there. We've got 1 teaspoon of vinegar there.
Alright.
There we go. Looking good. We're just about ready for our dry ingredients then. I'm just going to give this a quick light beat and I'll come straight back.
We're done with the wet ingredients, so now we're going to do the dry ingredients.
We are. So how much flour have we got going in, Oshi?
2 full cups.
Yeah.
So, do that.
And Jack, you can add the bicarb and the cinnamon.
Or just like that. Whee! Oh, that makes it look like chocolate.
We will be posting the full recipe at the end as well. Now, I have the oven preheated at 300 degrees. When we actually go to put it in, we're going to reduce that back to 180. That's it, Osh.
Guys, why did Chuck Norris go to the sun?
Why?
Because he went on a summer holiday.
Oh, that's a good one. I haven't heard you say that one. You love Chuck Norris jokes, don't you?
Yes.
Now, don't be concerned by lumpy bits in there, lumpy bits of butter. It's fine, it's just going to melt out anyway.
Sorry.
It's all right? Because it's important not to overbeat it. So just folding it through gently, that's it. And then use the back of the spoon to flatten it out. That's it. That's pretty good, that'll do. There we go. Well done. Well done, and we've got all that in there. So while I'm folding this bit, Jack,
Yeah.
I am going to get you. So I've mashed one banana here. We've got a second one, so we're gonna have two in here. Can you do that for me?
Yes.
Jack commented early on how the banana looked a bit yucky and squishy.
That's just the outside.
Yeah. And you do want them to be overripe. They taste much nicer. They're much better to work with. You missed the left. Yeah, just chop it up into lots of little bits.
Also, guys, what I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video is don't forget to clean your hands.
Yes, wash your hands. Yes.
Because that's important.
Yeah.
Very important.
Yeah. Done.
Oh no, Jack.
Oh no!
Are you telling the banana to die?
Yes.
There we go.
You better not tell too many funny things, otherwise Mummy might have to crack out her big laugh. And that would embarrass everyone.
It's cute.
Oh, thank you, darling. So I'm just going to get into it with a knife and a fork. It's smelling good.
I can't smell anything.
Give that a bit more of them.
Oh, do you need a banana?
Yep. Oh, all of it.
I can't wait to try it.
Jack, you know what would be a great idea?
What?
Can you guys run out?
To get some raspberries?
Yes.
Sure.
Off you go.
Okay. Alright, so we've got the raspberries.
Yes. How cool is that? It's raspberry season. So we're going to only put a few in. I'm just going to do this last little bit now. You don't have to put raspberries. We just are because we actually happen to have a raspberry bush there.
Yeah.
I like raspberries.
Yeah, you could put blueberries in if you've got blueberries, which we do have in the freezer, but I don't think you want them, do you?
No.
Okay, Obi, can you grab, yeah? Doesn't it? Do you want to smell it again, Jack?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Well, I smell the banana, which smells really good because I like the smell of
It
it.
does.
I
Alright,
love banana on toast.
so do I.
I don't like banana butter when it's plain.
But I don't like banana lollies.
Oh.
Banana lollies.
Oh, same.
Alright, we are going to spoon these in. All done. And for all the mums out there, I know that stage can really stress you out. I know it stresses me out. I generally like to do it myself so that we don't get the stuff on the outside, but you guys did the best job.
Thank you.
Now Jackie and Osh, do you want to put some raspberries in some of those?
Put one
And just push in a little bit so that it covers over and doesn't burn.
like this.
Yep. So I'm going to turn the oven back to 180 and we're going to cook these for roughly 15 minutes.
Oh, no.
So keep your eye on them because these ones are little baby ones. With the leftover, we're going to make some bigger ones as well.
Oh no, this one's dying.
Oh, this one's...
This one's pretty. This one's murdered.
Oh, did you do that, Jack?
No, some of the stuff fell off. Some of the red things fell off.
Okay, I'm back to 180.
Actually, yours... Oh, no, never mind.
All right. We will see you in 15 minutes.
Yep.
All done. That was actually quicker than we thought.
Yep.
around 10 minutes, but every oven's different. We've got a mealy, however you pronounce that, super hot. So, which one do you want, Jack? Which one do you want, Ocean?
I'll have this. Oh my god, it's hard to choose.
Do you want to try one with the raspberry as well?
I might have.
I'm gonna have this big one. No, this one.
I might have this one.
Wait for it to cool down.
Alright.
So what we've done, and I'll post a photo later in the group, we've actually made the big ones are in the oven. So they're cooking away.
They smell so good.
There's a lot.
Oh wait, can I smell?
Oh, that smells like the apple muffins.
I'm going to take them out of this because there's butter under.
Yeah.
Alright.
There you go.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh, that's hot.
Alright.
That's probably like a blast furnace. Oh.
With the raspberry. With the raspberry. Like that bit.
That is so good. It tastes like banana bread.
Most recipes, like this one for example, asks for 1 cup of brown sugar, but we've only used 1/4 because I do think with the banana, there's enough. You don't want it super sweet.
This is so good.
Kids start climbing up around the walls and... So you happy? You like them?
Wait, I might try one with the raspberry.
These kind of taste like the apple muffins.
Apple?
We made the apple ones, remember?
Oh yeah.
So guys, thank you for joining us today.
At the bottom.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And don't forget to comment down ideas of what we should do next.
Yes.
Also, if you haven't seen the apple muffin video, go check that out.
It's a good
Also,
one.
yeah, go check out our other videos.
Yeah. Share them with your friends. Anyway, happy cooking everyone.
Bye.
Bye.